The day YouTube deleted the video, String won the battle. That's it, video is over. But people have been desperately waiting for my video on roasting Dhruv Rathi. Okay, but we need not talk nonsense for 19 minutes, spend days on end writing a strategic script, creating a friction characters like Nada, troll me without using string name because I'll become famous. How much brainstorming, how much energy they spent, and how many people sat together, watched all my videos to find one loophole, and then got frustrated in the end because they couldn't find anything. That's why they took to cheap trolling. Otherwise, where is the answer? They don't have an answer to my questions. Their followers are spitting them in their faces and asking, "Abhi string ko reply karna." From where do they get the reply? They also know that the evidences are perfect. The damn video is going viral. How to save their asses in front of their followers? It's so shameful. Then, while watching one of my Gene Shop Theory videos, maybe, they must have got this idea to troll me. Because we have clearly discussed it before, that there is a psychological concept called gaslighting. The technique is, you destroy a person's character and ridicule him so that whatever the person says will be of no value. Even though he shows proper documented evidence and proof, people will laugh at him because he became a comedy piece in the society. They tried to use the same method on me, but the tragedy is they failed. Because where is the answer? They ridiculed my BGM, my editing, my effects, but where did they prove me wrong? You know why I watched this video? Just to check whether, did I say Independence Day April 15 and this guy corrected saying August 15th? Did I misspell anything? What? Which date? Name, event? Did I make any wrong connections? Let me see. Not even a single second in the entire video they proved me wrong. And this news laundry, 5 people in one video getting on me, but here only one.
मुन्ना झुंड में तो सुअर आते हैं. शेर अकेला ही आता है.
Let me finish it in one line. Just because someone criticizes you, if people consider you as a bad person, that means they are low IQ people. Unfortunately, there are a hell lot of low IQ people who are interested in this cheap psychiatry, and he is enjoying playing the sympathy cards. Dosto, ye conspiracy theories hai. If I keep on reacting to all this, how can I make educational videos to you?
Mera mutra pee lo.
This is what he is educating, and there are millions of idiots who are actually going for it. నీ అమ్మ జీవితం ఏం బతుకులరా మేము. కెమెరా ముందుకు వచ్చి ఉచ్చతాగమంటున్నాడండి. లక్షలాది మంది భక్తాదులు తరలి వెళ్తున్నారు. ఫర్ ఎ పర్సన్ హూ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు డ్రింక్ హిస్ పీ, డివోటీస్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ మిలియన్స్ టు టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ ఎ రేర్ ప్రసాద్. టెల్ మీ హూ ఈస్ అంధభక్త్? Mr. Dhruv Rathi, nobody is waiting for your educational videos, okay? And also Barkha Dutt, the renowned journalist, and the fake news factories like Wire, Quint, Scroll, News Laundry and all this shit. Nobody is waiting for your services. Planet is going to be perfectly okay if all of you vanish. In fact, the planet will flourish. We don't want truth to be heard from corrupted idiots like you, playing safe with words, but spewing venom and brainwashing people, bullshitting here and there with few pro-Modi words, just to play safe in the legal terms. They said we are making conspiracy theories, right? My foot. If you show me one single alphabet of a conspiracy in my videos, I'll delete my channel. You reporting and getting it deleted itself shows how pissed off you are. Conspiracy anta. నీకు దమ్ముంటే ఒక్క తప్పు చూపించరా చూద్దాం. What we have done at String is not a fiction story. This is a real life incident and it has a big impact on the economy of our country. These are evidences from their own websites. We have proved it in our previous videos with documented evidence that these are anti-nationals on record. Conspiracy is what they do to destroy the nation. But they don't agree. They'll make all kinds of ruptures to save their asses in front of their followers. They'll fight for life because their careers are at risk. You should listen to what Yuri Bezmenov said about leftists.
Most of the people who graduated in the 60s, dropouts or half-baked intellectuals, are now occupying the positions of power in the government, civil service, business, mass media, educational system. You are stuck with them. They are contaminated. They are programmed to think and react to certain stimuli in a certain pattern. You cannot change their mind, even if you expose them to authentic information. A person who was demoralized is unable to assess true information. The facts tell nothing to him. Even if I shower him with information, with authentic proof, with documents, with pictures, he will refuse to believe it. until he is going to receive a kick in his fat bottom. When a military boot crashes his balls, then he will understand.
If the military boot crashes their balls, then they will understand. How cute. My question is, what is 900 divided by 3? See, if I ask you what is 900 by 3, you say, Anna, I don't want money, Anna. Do you think I'm a greedy person? I just asked what is 900 by 3. I didn't even say 900 rupees. What is 900 divided by 3? Anna, if you want money, you take it, Anna. I'll give it for free. Don't insult me like this, Anna. I'm not money-minded person. देखिए दोस्तों, look at the way he's asking for money with nice background music, with the visual effect. He's switching off your logic. So पूरा money इसके pocket में, and he is talking about protecting the nation from anti-nationals. BGM off చేయరావు సరే. ఏంటి తేడా? Music is off. What difference does it make? Now tell me, what is 900 divided by 3? Anna, I'm not a beggar, Anna. I'm coming from a reputed family. I'm telling you, don't insult me like this. देखिए दोस्तों, this is called conspiracy theory. He is taking 900 and putting it here. And here is the 3. The word 3 में E है, राठी में E है. So logically, I'm the person who is supposed to divide 900 divided by 3. मुझे समझा कि नहीं क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है इस हालत में. मैं भी मोदी का सपोर्टर हूँ, मैं भी बीजेपी का सपोर्टर हूँ. आप सभी को एजुकेट करने के लिए इतना थ्रेट फेस करना पड़ रहा मुझे दैट आई हैव टू डिवाइड 900 by 3 ऑन दिस डे. ठीक है, डिवाइड कर लेंगे दोस्तों. पाकिस्तान का डिवाइडर लाइन है ना, ही इज आस्किंग मी टू टेक दैट लाइन, उसको उठा के इधर रखना टू डिवाइड 900 divided by 3 सो दैट इफ आई रिमूव दैट डिवाइडर लाइन, पाकिस्तान और इंडिया एक हो जाए. दिस इज 900 divided by 3.
बोल रहे हैं पढ़ने निकले वाले छात्रों को राजनीति से दूर रहना चाहिए हैं? अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो. लेकिन नहीं.
When I asked 900 divided by 3, you could have just said 300 and it's finished. You don't know the answer, but you bullshit around. Have you seen such people? All kinds of blah blah except the answer. This is what we call low IQ people. Playing victim cards to cover up their insulted faces. See, we are talking about numbers and political subjects. Who the hell will watch if it's not presented interestingly? September 23rd, Modi went there. Soros and Imran Khan met together. They discussed about Kashmir. 23rd February, Delhi riots happened. Okay? Who the hell is interested in this news reading crap, you tell me? Who will pay attention to the numbers? Who will watch if there is no story in it? The timeline of events, such a boring subject. I used all my creativity so that people will understand it better. And it came out so wonderful that even they copied it. The troll videos they made make me laugh because they thought they ridiculed me, but actually they appreciated me by copying my BGM, my effects, my timeline, and even tried to imitate me. People imitate Rajnikant and Chiranjeevi, but they had to imitate me. Thanks for making me popular. Their desperate attempt to troll me has also become an advantage for me. Look at the power of facts. You look at the increase in the number of subscribers even though I didn't upload any videos since a month. You know what? The video went super viral after it got deleted. It's not about the views. The most important thing is the expose video we made. We prepared a detailed report and sent it to MHA office. We strongly feel that we have their support. So the most important thing is the government has seen the video and you have seen one by one in the toolkit getting arrested, FIRs being filed, raids happening, etc. I'm not saying because of my video government is responding, they are super smarter than me. What I'm saying is, please be aware of the sympathizers. People are coming and saying, what's there in the toolkit? It has got nothing about terrorism, no discussion about riots. Yeah, true. It is a plain document, I agree. But what kind of people are there in the list? What is their background? They are on record anti-nationals. Please watch my previous videos for the facts. Please be aware of sympathizers. They're coming out and saying, how can you arrest 21-year girl? She's a small kid, Greta and Disha. What will happen to their life? Did we not discuss about this trick in our previous videos? Employing small kids, especially girls, in the protest so that government cannot take action on them. Gene Sharp theory. Placing women and children in front in a protest. Blocking the common pathways and roads and sitting there, making the automobiles unmoving. Gene Sharp theory. And it works effectively. It's already worked in bringing down governments of many other nations. How many of you are aware of it? No, what will happen to their lives? They are small kids, they have future. Bloody idiots, look at the amount of loss due to farmers' protest. Thousands of crores. What will happen to the life of Bharat? Do you think Enforcement Directorate is dumb to fall for the victim cards of these low IQ idiots? I appreciate the government for rightful action of capturing these evil kids. So, I know that you want me to speak much more on these anti-nationals and you will have a different perspective. Please drop in the comment section. But understand, we don't have to give any reply to them because they never made any reply to us. They're already suffering like hell because the whole nation got to know about their Jatakam. They will make all kinds of victim cards to cover their faces. We did not react also because this is one-time destruction. That's the power of facts. I pity them. They shouldn't have taken to this nonsense. Who asked them to become journalists and start YouTube channels? I would have simply meditated. Now there is a lot of work for me. We will too. We will take the production to next level. And I didn't get my answer. What is 900 divided by 3? One small announcement before we close. As String becomes more and more popular, there are a few fake accounts and fake channels getting created against String or in the name of String. I'm happy about that, but please be informed that I've never in the past and would never in the future authorize anybody else to communicate through String. Unless it is directly coming from me, it is not true. It will be only me and me alone for String. If you see someone else speaking in the name of String or String Reveals, it's not me.